Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today we are going to talk about lock and pattern and password setting in Vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show how to set pattern in Vivo phone. As you can see in my phone guys, there is no any pattern, pin, password. So guys, I will tell you one by one, step by step. So guys, in this video guys, we will talk about how to set phone pattern in Vivo phone. So guys, first of all, open your phone setting. Then guys, click on security. Guys, click on screen lock. Guys, click on pattern. So which pattern guys you want to, so I will take this L. Guys, 4 dot guys, you will have to choose this. Then guys, next, same guys, confirm. Come back guys. So guys, now let's see pattern has settled or not. Or you can see now I have my phone pattern lock in my Vivo phone. So we will draw L. Then guys, I can open my phone. So I think friends, we have understood how to set phone pattern in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel.